Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with WeChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is a 3D origami tutorial in which we'll be doing a 3D origami rose flower model. So without further delay, let's get started. So guys, for this rose model, we'll be using 4 different colors of triangles. The green for the stem and leaves, pink, light red and dark red. So the number of pieces I have mentioned in the slide and also in the description. So let's start. So the first row will be dark red, 12 pieces, and the second and third row will be light red, 12 pieces. We'll make a circle. So we'll pick one dark red and then we'll add light red like this. So go on adding them unless or until you form a circle like this. So we have one dark red row, first row, and the second row is the light red row, and we'll join these two here at the corner, making a circle like this. Align it properly, otherwise it may come off. Now the next row will be again of the light red pieces, so we'll put it like this so that you have a proper grip. Press it properly and finish the row. So we have completed the light red pieces. You have one dark red row and two light red rows, and then we just give slight shape like this. Do it slowly. And now next two rows will be of the pink pieces. So 12 pieces in the fourth row and 12 pieces in the fifth row. So let's start, and you can complete these two rows as well. Alright, we are completed with 5 rows now. Now we again get the shape slightly like this. This is a very simple model. So now we have few more pink pieces. We need to add it like this. In one hole you put one of the cone, and in another hole you put 2 cones just beside it, something like this. If you can see, one goes in one and 2 goes in one. So press it properly and tightly. This will give this shape. It will converge over here at this point, and then you press it slightly like this. We do it like this for this entire row. So let me show it to you like this, and press it properly, and in same way we do it for the third row like this, and then like this, 2 in 1 and 1 in 1 like this. Oops. We missed one over here. So press it properly like this. These will come out because it has less friction or less grip over other pieces. So we might need, you can glue these pieces and then put it. Otherwise, you can glue the stem and the pieces together so that it doesn't come off. You just need to press it like this and give a proper shape to the rose. If you see, this piece is not even going in. You can use some other piece if that's not a proper one. Yeah, this fits. Alright. So this is the top portion of the rose. Now we'll go for the leaf and the stem. So let's keep this aside and let's pick these green pieces. So for the stem, it's on your wish. You can keep as many pieces as you want. You keep shorter stem, you keep longer stem. It's your wish. For the leaf, I'll show you how to make a leaf. So here first it goes incremental. So first row will contain one piece, then 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it will decrease from 5 to 4, 3, 2, 1. So you just need to keep the pieces like this. 2, and then the next row you have 3. So one over here like this and one over on this side. And now you need to keep 4. So one goes here, one goes here. Press it properly like this. And then 5 pieces in the next row. I'm really sorry if you can hear the background noise. There is some construction work going on in my neighborhood. So yeah, so you have 5 pieces in the last row. Now you decrease it to 4, 3, 2 and 1. So let's finish this. So guys, I have completed the leaf. You can see this is how it looks. And then I have kept one piece into the other of the remaining all the green pieces. I have made 2 parts like this, and then I just left with one piece, and I purposely left this so we can keep it like this, one in this, and then we will close this. This is how the stem looks like. It's your wish, you can keep any number of pieces in the stem, and we just leave this one cone over here so that we can keep in this tightly. You can stick it like this. So this is how it looks. And then now we just join this rose. We can glue it at this point and it will look something like this. I'm not gluing it right now, but you can glue it definitely. And let me just keep it properly and show it to you. You can glue it at this point like this. And this is how the rose looks like. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be here getting new videos every week for you. So stay tuned by clicking on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you all back in my next video. Peace.